Hold on.
Hey everybody, my name is Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Second location is 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. Two great locations to get your repair done. Back it up?
Yes.
Gotta back it up, back it up.
Orange.
Those little orange, dark brown. Okay, thanks for the heads up. Okay, so, you guys are probably thinking about this title of our post. Scammer alert. We had a couple customers that got scammed by this company, and they're no longer getting scammed anymore because we were able to put them in a better situation. So there's a company called All Around Fix, and they actually faxed them their information. It's called All Around Fix LLC. They put a phone number here. They got a second line, when to call, got an email, customer ID. I mean, they really went the distance. But
you can't really see it.
You can't really see it? How about now?
Do this.
See this?
No, like the Instagram girls, like modeling.
I don't.
It's like this.
Oh, like this. Okay. Thank you. How's that look? That better?
Okay, if I go forward.
Well, I put it on the post. So if you're looking at it, I put it on our title. I just can't get that lighting right. So I put it on there, and Caitlin's going to help me, and we're going to give them a call. There was another company, right? Who was the other company, Caitlin?
It was.
They charged them $465.
Self
Missions, another charity company, just have been horrible. And you got some of these companies that dress up like there's a part of a charity, and they'll get a screenshot of some very needy kids, possibly typically in another country, and they put it all out there, and they say, hey, give to us, give to us, give to us. And these are, again, scams as well. And I don't think most people realize, but like 90% of charity companies, that money that you give, like a lot of it goes to just themselves, like the actual business. Yep. So be careful. There's that's why I like churches, right? Because I can see where it's going, versus just blindly giving to someone on the internet. So, Caitlin, let's call this All Around Fix LLC, and if you Google their information, they got like 1 million complaints. All Around Fix, and I'm sure they'll eventually get their website shut down when enough people report them to the FTC.
Is it 5771?
Yes, 5771. That's the second number. So we're going to give them a call, put them on speaker, and we're going to grill the scammer. Thank you. And we do this from time to time. So this is, if you've seen this before, then we have a lot of fun. Well, they're not answering. Go figure. Go figure.
Hi, you've reached Ian at Northwest Bank. I'm out of the office until
Northwest Bank?
September 20th.
They even gave the wrong number. Let's try that one more time.
Try the first one.
Let's try that one more time. Sometimes lines get crossed, and that's happened before, where they will buy a phone number for like a split second and then get it back into the system. So. Hello? That's it. Well, as you can tell, that this company is a sham, because numbers that they leave, you cannot connect to anybody on the other line. Another ring.
Your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line. You'll be transferred to the next available agent.
Okay, so we got someone online. Yay! We're going to see All Around Fix LLC. Yeah, they'll probably hang up on me. They probably see the caller ID, so I probably should call from another number, because they
but
see Computers Plus look like. But I'm going to jump on them and say, why did they charge my customer money? That's what I'm telling them. For something that's not real. And they left a phone number. So it's in this link. Make sure you guys click and share this. Please click and like this, share it with everybody, because it's going around. And our particular customer. Hello?
Thank you for calling All Around Fix.
Hello, hi. Is this
My name
all?
is Steve. How may I assist you today?
Hi, is this all around fix?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's all on fix.
Yeah. Okay. So my grandfather purchased you guys' product, and I just want to get a more clear as far as what did he purchase.
Okay, let me check. And I'm just... Bear with me.
Okay.
Alright, sir. I'm just transferring your call to the billing department. He will let you know.
Okay. Transfer the billing.
Thanks for being on hold. I really appreciate your time and patience. Your call has been connected with the billing department again. This side, Matthew once again. I tried to call you once you disconnected the call. So, I'm calling you again, but you are not picking up the call. So, yeah, tell me how may I help you, sir? I believe I have explained you what you have bought, right?
You said the Norton, correct?
That's correct.
What package is through that? Because I subscribe to Norton personally, and I'm just trying to figure out if somebody called you, because this sounds like it might be not a valid charge. I currently have Norton already, and I have a representative, so I'm trying to figure out why did I pay you guys $468?
Okay, let me tell you, see, we have provided you a package of Norton 360 Deluxe, sir. If you will log in into your Norton account, you will go in Manage My Subscription. You will see a license key installed on the date when you bought this license. Like, you will see that expiration date of this plan will be
Ask him where did all my bank
on
information go.
8th of September 2024, okay? So, like, next year it will be expired. You will see this key. If you want, I can provide you the key number as well, like the 25-digit key. If you want me to provide you the key as well, what we have installed. Not only that, we have done a cleanup on your computer. We have blocked all the blockers like advertisements coming on your computer. We fixed the issue on the computer as well.
Yeah, so
Mr. Richard, call us first.
Go ahead.
And this is a 3-year of Norton we have provided you.
Well,
So
I'm just
that's why
surprised
you
at how did you
don't
get how did you get my information, because I have a direct contact with that particular company. So how did you get my information?
Well, you were, like, are you Richard? First of all, tell me. Or you are his friends or family, someone?
Excuse me? I couldn't hear you.
Are you Mr. Richard Hamilton, or you are his friend or family?
Yeah.
I am a friend and family, so this is where I'm looking at
Okay.
everything. So do me a favor. I need to reverse
What's your
those
name?
charges.
What's your name?
My name is Terrence.
Okay, so let me tell you, Richard called us on that day. We have a call recording as well, and we have a voice recording as well. Like whatsoever.
I don't want to put his name into this,
We have a recording for
just for
that.
privacy reasons, so I'm going to take away the phone.
Conversation with the technician.
So what happened, they sent him an email and he's talking.
Fix the issue on the computer as well for 2 hours, you know.
Okay,
I
so
have the recording as well. If you want, I can provide you that.
So what is
And
your
all the documents
email?
are being sent to you.
what is your
All
email?
round fix.
Okay,
You can search the information with the name of All Round Fix.
yep,
My
I've seen that.
contact email is customer@allroundfix.
Yeah, I definitely seen you guys on Google, saw a lot of complaints, a lot of bad reviews. So what I need to do,
Every company can have good and bad
Yep,
reviews.
yep, yep,
So it's
I understand.
Okay, right?
Where
Every
is-
company can have good and bad reviews.
where is all around fix located at?
We are in Boston, sir. 670 River State, Hyde Park, Massachusetts.
You're in Massachusetts. Okay.
Yeah, we are in Massachusetts, sir.
Do you have a direct line there?
Yeah, 1-800-857-2303. That's the number for support for the customer.
How about a local
The
number?
support department is
Like a local number?
well, see, that's the head office of the company. So, like our office is a big company, providing lot of support not only for Norton. We provide support for McAfee and other services as well.
Google their
And
address.
That's a corporate office, not a support office.
All around
That
fix.
is, it's a
Sure.
kind of headquarters, you could say. And the support department is in India, okay?
Oh, so gotcha. The support department is in India. Gotcha.
Number,
Gotcha.
You will be connected to me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That is this your personal number?
No, definitely not. This is the support line number. Thousands of customer call us, and your call will be always connected to technician, sir. Now you need to tell them that you want a billing issue to be resolved. Then you will be connected to me.
Well, let me ask you this: why did you guys install Log Me In into the computer? The remote network support.
See, that is a support. Okay, that is a calling card for the customer. Customer is not only buying a security from us. With the security, he has also bought a 1 year of support from us. Like in future, if he will get any
What's
issue,
the phone number?
we will
1 year
provide
support for
$468.
$468.
Just like any
What's the
other
phone number
company,
again?
use
Well, that's the phone
login,
number.
that is
I'm gonna
a
get
paid
his
software,
address. I'm gonna get his address.
Through which a technician can connect you. Like if you will double click on log me in rescue,
Yes.
you will see.
I'm gonna get his address. So he says in Massachusetts. So did you write all on Fix LLC in Massachusetts? Nothing comes up.
And that's how you can like directly connect with the technician. So
Wasn't
you
gonna
can
come
go
up.
ahead and
This is.
fix the issue.
They've gotten really good at
Your
this.
computer,
They've gotten
like,
really good at
it's not
this.
working, your printer is not working. Support is for everything, sir. Which is free for you for next 1 year.
Okay, and that's the 468. And that's the 468.
Sorry, repeat again.
I'm sorry, and that's the $468.
No, the total package cost is $499.99, which include a 3 year of knowledge,
$499.
1 year of support, sir. And as I can see, we provided Richard 2 offers. Like he was getting a 3 year of Norton and a 1 year of support, as well as a 5 year of
It's not even
Norton
real
and
because
1 year
when I
of
looked on his
support.
computer,
And he selected a 3 year one.
they're really good at this. They're really good. They've gotten really crafty about this. Home office is based out of India. There it is. USA Tech Support. Doing USA companies.
I can provide you the license key as well. Like
No.
whenever you buy a Norton from Best
Is it
Buy
Hyde
as well,
Park?
And license keys, you can buy them anywhere.
Hyde
What?
Park?
right?
What?
So I
Did he
have
say
that
Hyde
key
Park?
Let me
with
find out. Is that
as
it?
well, what we have installed. If you want that key, you can verify it.
Well,
You can directly log in into your Norton account, norton.com.
well, if you could do me a favor, and if you could, give me the address to Massachusetts again. You said your office is in Massachusetts.
Yeah, you can write it down.
Okay, what's the address?
670 River Street,
617 River Street. Okay.
Hyde Park, HYDE, Hyde Park, PARK, Massachusetts. You can write the zip code as well. It's 02136. You can go ahead and visit the corporate
So
office
one time
as
this
well.
happened, and then when I did the address, it was
some
actually a
technicians
school.
working
One
like
was
some,
like a house.
colleagues
I
working
mean,
over
they
there as well.
they just don't think we're going to do some research. He's
You
probably
can
going to try
mail
to
over
end.
there as well,
He'll
like,
probably try to end the call
if you have
eventually
any
when I start
query, you
digging.
can
Where's the address
make a
going to?
post as well if you want.
You're making that face. So I do see that. I put the address. It is a house. It's a house in Massachusetts.
Yeah, like in United States, you can register a company with any location, even with
Yeah,
a house.
yep,
So
yes, you
it's
can.
completely, it's a house.
Yeah, I just don't feel comfortable about this. I need you to reverse those charges, or I need to call my bank and call this fraud. So it's up to you on how you want to do this.
No, how it's a fraud? Tell me first.
I'm going to give you one. I'm not going to get into this long conversation. I've been Googling. I've been.
like we don't take customers.
So they try very hard. They try very hard, but they aren't licensed. They aren't. Their address is off. Put that in the comment link. It's a house, Massachusetts. They can be anyone house.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to ask you one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. You need to reverse those charges ASAP. Okay?
I understand your concern. Let me check. Okay,
They're
what I can do.
trying hard. So it's a house,
It's
Massachusetts.
next to a laundromat.
It's next to a laundromat? Jesus. So we got to do this. We got to do
It's a nice house.
our nice house. Scammers got a nice
Thanks for being
house.
on hold. I really appreciate your time and patience. I understand you are being unhappy with the services and support. So in this case, what I can do, I can provide you a partial
This
refund.
way
You
he
need
can
to
handle it.
understand. We have also provided the license key, and we have also provided. The
You know, it
work
just
of the
gets bad. So can you just get the charge reversed? If not, we'll just call the bank.
But yeah,
Because he's the
I
biggest
can
scam
provide
ever.
you a
This is the
partial
big
refund.
scam.
Is that okay for you?
This is where it's at. And they try
I'm
to.
gonna interrupt.
They try to just over, and they try to hold
I
that
would
money.
like the
And they
charges
attack
reversed, or I will
seniors,
have to.
people that
Give your
just
introduction,
don't know.
First of all,
I'm
who
his
are you?
assistant. I'm Richard Hamilton's
So
assistant.
there is a lot of scammers
Okay.
out there. You want to go in the back and do that? Just let them know. We've already had our customer call the bank. We just want to call them up and see how long they would go. But this is a house off of 617
sir.
River Street in Hyde Park, Massachusetts.
No, sir.
Oh
I
my
don't like that
gosh!
you're raising
You
your voice at
know,
me.
this is just, and
but
they're in
don't
India.
reverse the
Not
charges.
nothing against that, but I'm just saying that we got to start relying on our own Americans to protect us. Like we can't keep outsourcing this support.
I will,
Because we're not going to
I
have
will,
anything left.
you know,
We're going to just
add law
outsource
enforcement into
everything,
because it
and
is
let's keep
fraudulent
it
charges.
in the States. We have, when I asked them, where's your address? Well, it's located in Massachusetts. You can make a company like that,
Richard
right?
Hamilton
Apparently.
did not know it was.
Can you go in the back with that, please? Thank you so much. So people just don't realize that. And, and these companies get more and more sophisticated, and they try to, and they're going to reverse the charges. Because why? Because to them, they'll stay in business a lot longer if they say, hey, we need to not call attention to us. We got this address in Massachusetts. We're having the calls forwarded to India, and so we can run this whole company based off somebody's address in Massachusetts. So that they're representing themselves as, oh yeah, Norton McAfee. There is so much bad scams out there where you think it's a Norton software or you think it's a legitimate software, and it really isn't. It's one that was created to make it look like, and all they're doing is collecting data. And I don't want to go further in, but they actually changed his bank password. They changed his bank password. Why would they have to do that? Why would they get into his banking in any time? So this is another call to action. Guys, share this video. Post it. Tell your friends. Tell your grandparents. Tell people that it's only getting a lot worse, and we got to protect ourselves. We got to be our own keepers of our own information and keep it in the States. And they get these addresses by somebody that lives in Massachusetts, probably a friend, probably a co-conspirator, and they charge people money that is, it just doesn't work. So be careful out there. Check on your mom, check on your dad, check on yourself, check on your spouse. A lot of times this happens and people are so embarrassed that they just don't feel comfortable talking about it. So they rather just chuck up the $400, chuck up the $300 and learn it as experience. But we're not going to do that. We're here to get you back to being whole. Identity theft is a big thing. Medical theft is a big thing. Medical identity is a big thing. I have a really great friend named Dennis. He works with ID Shield. He can really work with you guys if you guys are looking for that long term of protecting yourself. Give us a call on number 770-693-0769. You can always visit on the website at computersplususa.com. I'm going to jump back here because we're trying to get these charges reversed. They're already going to be taken care of with the bank, but we are trying to see about this person, and probably going to blacklist our number. But yeah, this is the information, and I have it in the post. And make sure you guys share it with your friends and family, and let's let everybody know. Have a good day. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge.